Hello guys, good news for EasyJTAG user that EasyJTAG has launched a new updated version that is called EasyJTAG Turbo. Now earlier, as you have seen, many of the users are buying F-64 as the latest UFS is not getting supported in the EasyJTAG. So let's come over to our teacher Mr. Sajad and he will explain what are the different features in EasyJTAG latest one and why the users are switching to F-64 earlier.
Thank you very much, sir. So, guys, this is your new adapter, or we can say it is a new upgrade, or we can say it is a new cloth of EasyJTAG.
Okay.
And call here EasyJTAG Turbo Adapter. What is the new features added in new adapter? So it gives the F-64 look likes given the UFS 4.1 bridge supported right now here.
Okay. Earlier it was only to the
3.1.
3.1. Now 4.1 is also
4.1.
supported in.
And it is not limited 4.1. It is
Okay.
upgradable
Okay.
up to so on like 5.0 and 5.1 also.
That can be upgraded easily.
Maybe. And second, the speed is in F-64 when you connecting on ISP you will get there 100 Mbps.
Okay.
Similar when you EasyJTAG, this EasyJTAG given 10 Mbps or 5 Mbps maximum. But right now, if you are using EasyJTAG Turbo ISP adapter, you will get 100 plus Mbps speed in
With
ISP.
Easy tag also.
Yes, EasyJTAG Turbo.
Great. So I guess tough time for the F-64 box.
Definitely, because they has a very competition level right now. It is start from F-64 and EasyJTAG Turbo because they have no any competitor F-64 right. But when it's launching, F-64 is blowing on the FJTAG.
F-64 will have. What are the different features we will have here? Please
You
explain.
check here the what features added here. So first of all, you check main controller. That is, it's added to high speed, slow voltage, and boosting the voltage. USB command processing. That means you can process with USB. It is a new features.
Okay, earlier it was RJ.
Yes, and also you can process with USB UIT method to check what is the actually problem in my smartphone with the USB. Power management, voltage monitoring, all of them. But main thing is you check USB 3.1.
To UFS bridge.
That means before this EasyJTAG, it supported USB 2.0.
2.0.
But right now it's upgradable on 3.1. And UFS bridge, that means it's rating like 3.1, 4.0, 4.1 and so on.
Okay.
Also you check the shy version, M shy version is high speed gear. Before that it's PWM. Now it is HS, high speed gear third, and given speed is 100 plus Mbps.
Mbps. Okay.
Before this, it's given speed chip off method how much? Maximum 7 Mbps. And right now you check, you will get 100 Mbps plus here. And also you check the DDR, the RAM response here, HS200 supportable right now. Before that it's 150 and less than 200.
Now it's 200.
200 support. That means you will get the high speed frequency here. And also you check USB 3.2 SD bridge also. If you want to work on SD card, like a memory card, you can also support the USB 3.0 also. And you check here the memory technologies for eMMC 1 bit, 4 bit and 8 bit. That means you can work with ISP 1 bit, you can work with ISP 4 bit also, and it 8 bit also supported here. eMMC 4.5, that is the older eMMC patching from the phone. It's also supported and newer also, because we called EasyJTAG is the king of eMMC.
Yes. Yes.
But not for exactly UFS. But right now you check here on UFS 2.1 to UFS 4.1. That means it's also support 5.0 also. It may be future. Shy version giving high speed gear, look like a F-64 and U-70. UFS ISP operation also good work like a F-64 and U-70. Licensed EasyJTAG P20 socket interface. What means? Before that, it is not required to connect a digital license. You just upgrade your smart card. It's inbuilt the smart SIM card.
Okay, like the F-64,
Similar, it given the
is
interface to digital license of
like digital
eSIM.
eSIM. Digital
eSIM,
eSIM.
yes.
Okay, okay.
And also you check the descriptor access is also here. RPMB read write support.
It's there.
Similar like F-64 given latest update to work on RPMB data. Similar you can work of RPM. It is especially for the KG purpose for other country. You can work on the RPMB support now in EasyJTAG Turbo. And you check the USB interface already. 5 Gbps link speed. I know this is not exactly, but we can say it is a very high. It may be 2 GB support. Mass storage USB 2.0 backward compatibility. That means if you're 2.0 USB, is it work? Yes, definitely, because it's
Okay.
compatible. And power system, you check. Before that, the power we know that these of power is not compared to anyone. In EasyJTAG also. And EasyJTAG Turbo given the higher power VOT system also here. And 1.1 also added here. That means given the monitoring of voltage, it's very good quality right now. Added already. And you can capabilities like a voltage and all of them. There's the new features coming on EasyJTAG Turbo, and looking it's very similar like EasyJTAG, but colors may be different, and the connectivity method is also different. It's connected between two sides. It's not exactly like this side and this
Okay.
side. It's a totally different. And USB, it's not here and here. It's the middle of the box
Okay.
and USB support.
So our teacher Shehzad Sir has given all the details about the EasyJTAG and what are the features you will get in the EasyJTAG Turbo. So if you want to learn and upgrade your skills and either in F-64 or EasyJTAG, you can join our online classes. Students from more than 20 countries is learning and growing their skills with us. Thank
Thank
you
you very
very
much.
much.